How to use the color analyzer with keyboard commands. The color contrast analyzer can be navigated with keyboard input instead of using the mouse-dependent color picker. Screen reader users can read the color of the text in a document with a white background. However, if the document background is changed to a color other than white, the JAWS and Windows Narrator screen readers will still read the background as white, making it inaccessible. JAWS and Narrator will accurately read highlight colors, but images will still be inaccessible. A word on hex codes. To use the color analyzer, you need to know a little about hex colors. The color contrast analyzer tool uses hex color codes by default. Hex stands for hexadecimal. A hex color code is made up of 6-digit combination of letters and numbers, usually preceded by the pound sign. The numbers in the code correspond to the amount of red, green, and blue in the color. For example, the default background color of a Word document is white. The hex number for white is #FFF FFF. Here are examples of colors and their corresponding hex codes. Black, for instance, is the #0000000, and red is the #FF0000. The default color of the text in a Microsoft Word document is black on a white background, which has the highest possible contrast ratio of 21:1. The lowest possible contrast ratio is 1:1, which are two identical colors. All the other color combinations fall somewhere in between those two ratios. If you assume a white background, you can check the color contrast of the text in a document. Next, practice using the color contrast analyzer.
Title is Document 1-Word, Print View.
First, open a Microsoft Word document and type some text. Here I've typed the word hello. We're going to change the text color to red. Here's how. First, select the text. My cursor's at the beginning of the line.
Home.
And I'm going to press Shift-N to select the line.
Selected. Hello.
And that selects the word hello. Press Ctrl-D to open the font dialog box.
Ctrl-D. Font colon edit combo Verdana. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
Now tap to the font color button.
Font style colon edit combo regular. Size colon edit combo 26. Font color left parent automatic right parent button. To activate, press space bar.
Press the space bar to open the color picker.
Space font color picker.
And arrow down through the theme colors to the standard colors, and you'll hear dark red.
Color picker table automatic button selected. Theme colors white background, white background, white background, white background, white background. Standard colors dark red button, dark red. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
And we'll need to arrow to the right to choose red.
Red button, red.
Press enter.
Enter. Document 1-Word. Font color left parent automatic right parent button. To activate, press space bar.
Now we'll need to tab away from that font color button in order to press the enter key and activate the OK button in this dialog box. So I'm going to press tab.
Underline style colon combo box left parent and right parent. To change the selection, use the arrow keys Alt+U.
And that takes me to the underlined style. But all I have to do now is just press the enter key and it activates the OK button in this dialog box.
Enter. Print view edit.
Okay, so now I'm back in print view in my document. I'm going to press the home key to unselect what I have selected.
Home page.
I'm on hello, okay, and I'm going to press insert F because I'm using the JAWS screen reader so that I can read the font attributes and see if it did turn it to red.
26 points red on white Verdana normal style line spacing.
Okay, so it did tell me that it was red on white. Now that we have text that is in red, we can select it and use the color checker to see if it passes the color contrast. We are assuming that we have a white background because it's not possible for us to check the background color with the screen reader. So I'm going to select the text once again. I'm going to move my cursor to the home.
Home.
And then Shift-N.
Selected. Hello.
I have selected again, we're going to open the font color dialog box, Control D.
Control D. Font colon edit combo Verdana to set the value. Use the arrow.
And we're going to tab to the font color button again.
Font style colon edit size colon edit font color left parent red right parent button.
And press the space bar to open the color picker.
Space font color picker.
But this time we're not going to arrow down. This time just press M for more colors.
M. Standard tab selected. To switch pages, press Control plus Tab.
And now we'll need to press Control Tab to go to the Custom tab. So Control Tab.
Custom tab selected. To switch pages, press Control plus Tab.
And we're going to press Alt H to accelerate to the hex color code.
Alt H, hex colon, edit combo, number FF0000. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
And that's what we're looking for, is that hex code number. It's already selected, so we're just going to press Control C to copy it.
Copy selection to clipboard.
Press the Escape key, get out of this dialog box.
Escape, document 1-word, font color left pair.
Press the Escape key again to get out of the font color dialog box.
Escape, edit.
Okay, we're back in the document. And now we'll need to open the Color Contrast Analyzer. I'm pressing the Windows key.
Search box edit, type in text.
And I'm in the search box. I'm going to start typing color.
C-O-L-O, Color Contrast Analyzer left parent, CCA right parent, app. Press right to switch preview, Color Contrast Analyzer left.
Okay, Color Contrast Analyzer came up. I'm going to press enter on that.
Color Contrast Analyzer left parent, CCA right parent, Color Contrast Analyzer left color.
Okay, and that opens my Color Contrast Analyzer. Now, to move throughout this, it works a lot like a web page. So I'm just going to arrow down through here until I want to get to the hex color code
Main region.
for the foreground color.
Heading level 1 CCA main window. Heading level 2 foreground. Select default format for foreground. Heading level 2 foreground color. Select default format for foreground color. Combo box collapsed text. Foreground color value.
There we go. And now I am in the edit field for the foreground color. So I'm just going to press Control V to paste what I copied from the font color.
Pasted from clipboard. Hex format detected. Contrast ratio 4:1.
Okay. And now that I've got my foreground color, I'm going to arrow down through the background color, which is white.
Hex format
And
detected.
we'll hear the code for white is 6Fs.
Left parent red right parent. Switch colors button. Foreground color sliders button collapsed. Foreground color picker toggle button. Foreground help button collapsed. Heading level 2 background color. Select default format for background color. Combo box collapsed text. Background color value. Hex format. Number misspelled FFF. Hex format.
Okay, so we know it's white. We're going to keep arrowing down now to see the results and see if this red color
Left parent
passes.
white right parent. Background color sliders button collapsed. Background color pick. Background help button. Sample preview button expanded. Group example text showing heading level 2 WCAG2. Heading level 3 contrast ratio 4:1.
The contrast ratio is 4:1.
1.4.3 contrast left parent minimum right parent AA right parent button collapsed. Fail left parent regular text right parent.
It failed for regular text for minimum AA standards.
Pass left parent large text right parent.
And it passes for large text. So if you remember when we were picking a color for our text, we heard dark red. If you want to use red, dark red would be the color that passes the color contrast analyzer. Thank you for watching.